How to change the oil in your John Deere X320 lawn tractor, a step-by-step DIY guide. Are you ready to keep your John Deere X320 running smoothly? Changing the oil is one of the simplest ways to extend your tractor's life. Whether you're a seasoned tractor owner or a first-time DIYer, this guide makes the process straightforward and stress-free. Oil is your engine's lifeblood, reducing wear and keeping parts running smoothly. Over time, oil degrades and loses effectiveness, risking engine health. Proper maintenance ensures your X320 stays in peak condition, saving you costly repairs down the line. Let's show your tractor the care it deserves. Before diving in, gather your tools and materials. You'll need an oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, and fresh oil. John Deere recommends 10W30 plus a new oil filter. Having everything at hand will make your oil change efficient and hassle-free. Safety gloves are also a great addition to keep things clean. First, park your tractor on a flat surface, turn it off, and allow the engine to cool for a few minutes. Remove the key for safety. Once cooled, locate the oil drain valve underneath the engine. Place the drain pan underneath to catch old oil and avoid spills on your workspace. Twist open the drain valve and allow the used oil to flow into the drain pan. Be patient. Let all the oil drain completely. Worn oil carries debris that builds over time, so a thorough drain is essential. Once finished, close the drain valve tightly to prevent future leaks. Locate the oil filter near the engine and unscrew it using an oil filter wrench. Be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding components. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the rubber gasket for a secure seal. Then, screw it on hand tight. No need to over-tighten. Now it's time to replenish the engine. Use a funnel to pour the recommended amount of 10W30 oil into the oil fill port. John Deere suggests approximately 1.8 quarts, but always refer to your owner's manual for accuracy. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is just right, neither under nor overfilled. Start your tractor and let it run for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps circulate the new oil and reveals any leaks around the drain valve or filter. Turn off the tractor and check the oil level one more time. Wipe down any spills and responsibly dispose of the used oil at a recycling center. Keep a record of every oil change to stay on top of maintenance schedules. Consider pairing the oil change with other tune-ups like checking the air filter or spark plug for optimal performance. A few extra minutes can prevent unexpected breakdowns during mowing season. Congratulations! Your John Deere X320 is all set for the tasks ahead. Regular oil changes are key to maintaining your tractor's longevity and efficiency. Feel the pride of DIY maintenance and keep your equipment performing like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tractor tutorials. Share this video with fellow tractor enthusiasts and let us guide you through your next DIY project. Your feedback drives us to create content you love.